Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essentials, the specific key or quest token and any tools that interact with locks. Once done, approach the house and scan the door for visible mechanisms, keyhole, latch, or rune. Make sure to talk to any nearby NPCs because their dialogue can unlock new options. If the house requires a condition, nighttime, rain, or after a quest, adjust the game clock or finish prerequisite tasks. Start with the simplest interaction so you can observe feedback and move forward confidently. You now tackle the lock itself. Study its visual cues and try interactions deliberately. If the lock has runes, activate them in order. If it's mechanical, use a pick, then insert the key. Timing matters. Once you trigger one component, watch for secondary reactions elsewhere on the house because many systems cascade. Make sure to combine items. Sometimes a fuse plus a key or a spell, then a lever completes the circuit. Keep trying variations and note which sequence caused progress. You finish by performing the final activation, turn the key, flip the last lever, or place the last item into its slot, and listen for the door's confirmation. Once it opens, move in immediately to claim objectives and save your game to lock that success. If nothing happens, check that the quest flag updated. If not, reload to the nearest autosave and re-trigger the prerequisite event. As a troubleshooting tip, revisit the last NPC or puzzle you completed, since those often reset needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.